Ladies and gentlemen, probably the biggest problem I have with Fiverr is orders like these. You go in, you go look at the requirements. By the way, I'm a graphic designer on Fiverr, so this is what I do. I make thumbnails for YouTube videos. So this video is the one they sent me. I wanted to show, where's the W, man? Like, I want to showcase, obviously you can see this is a little kid or someone with very bad grammar, but I want to showcase a spoiler of the video and make it so it's eye-catching so people will click it. Cool. Now let's go look at the video.
In today's video,
when you go to the video, this whole thing is footage of the floor. Like, bruh, they're essentially they're doing some shopping with a friend. I went shopping with my friend. So the kid, no harm to him, by the way. Okay, makes Minecraft videos. Okay. I went shopping with my friend. He wants me to do a thumbnail for the video. I'm gonna do it. But this is the problem. Like, he wants me to take an image or take a screenshot from this video and actually make something eye-catching. Now the brilliance of me being a graphic designer with like 5-6 years experience is I'm going to nail this. So I've dealt with many difficult clients in my lifetime. There's some of them who don't even send in requirements after ordering, and so at the end of the day I make $5 for basically doing nothing, because when I send in my delivery, after 3 days it's automatically completed, and I know it's not the best thing to do, but I'm not gonna leave it undelivered and my statistics will go down. And then you get the clients who's just never satisfied even after hours and hours of work, because they say the client, or they say the client is always right, but that's the most far from true thing I've ever heard, because the client isn't always right. Sometimes they give the worst suggestions, and I know that thing is they pay for it, so obviously I should consider their ideas. But the thing is, at the end of the day, this is a YouTube thumbnail, so I know what works best, and if the thumbnail I made for them, which they gave the requirements to, is not performing well on YouTube, they're gonna blame me. But then I should have just done my own research or my own design, and then obviously it will have performed way better because I have years of experience. But that's the thing, they don't understand it always. So dealing with bad clients or difficult clients on Fiverr is really a headache. And then there's examples like this where they upload the worst quality images, and then I have to sit there trying to figure out how to make this look decent for them to like. But at least with all my experience, I've learned to just go with it and make something great, like this one for example. But yeah, that's basically how you turn a bad order on Fiverr into something great. Also, how do I manage all these bad or like hard to deal with clients? This is just how I do it. I just go for it, and it turned out okay. I mean, I know the picture quality is bad, but this is literally what the client gave me, so I made the best of it, you see? Cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been Dian, and till the next video, peace out.